Hi guys, welcome back to Food and Mood Creations. Today we're making roasted vegetable soup. These are just some white sweet potatoes that I washed really well. You can also use orange sweet potatoes to make this soup if you cannot find white sweet potatoes. If you want to know the difference between white and orange sweet potatoes, it drops tomorrow at 9 a.m. You can also follow us on social media so you can get notified when it drops tomorrow. It's Food and Mood Creations on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Also sign up for my weekly newsletter. Simply head on over to foodandmoodcreations.com and you will receive our monthly cheat day recipes as well as the latest recipes and blog posts. As you can see, I peeled the sweet potatoes. I placed them in a bowl of water to prevent them from turning brown. Then I cut them into large chunks and placed them onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet along with bell peppers, carrots, onions, and garlic. I added seasoning and a little oil and tossed them to combine. I roasted the vegetables for 30 to 35 minutes until they are tender. Let's talk about health benefits. Carrots contain bioactive compounds such as phytocarinol, which is the most important bioactive compound found in carrots. This phytochemical is believed to excite cancer-fighting mechanisms in the body. Sweet potatoes also contain bioactive compounds, which allows it to exhibit anti-inflammatory, antioxidative, anti-tumor, anti-diabetic, antimicrobial, and anti-aging properties. This is how the roasted vegetables came out. I did not get around to blending these until 10 o'clock at night because I was filming content for several other videos. So they did shrink quite a bit, but it does not make a difference since they are being blended into a soup. I placed those vegetables into a pot along with chicken broth and heated it for 5 to 8 minutes until everything was hot. Now I'm just adding it to a blender and I'm going to blend it until it reaches a consistency that I like. I did not want the soup to be super smooth. I wanted little chunks of veggies in my soup. I returned the soup to the pot, then I added 2 tablespoons of honey just to sweeten it a little bit. Then I placed the soup into a bowl and garnished it with coconut milk. This is how the roasted vegetable soup came out. It reminded me of fall. Roasting the vegetables really intensified the natural sweetness of the veggies and made it super delicious. As always, if you want specific instructions on how to make this roasted vegetable soup, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.